Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York coming to you from the beautiful Norwegian gem. Today we're heading towards the Virgin Islands to the island of St. Thomas. I took a tour bus when I was in St. Thomas, took me around the entire island all day long, got lots of videos. One of the places we stopped off at was called Magens Bay, very popular with tourists and locals alike. Beautiful bay, beautiful beach. They have a nice bar there which I'll show you, lots of places to eat, and just take a nice long barefoot walk along the beach there at the bay, and it's just a great experience. So come along with me, let's check out Magens Bay. We'll have a drink while we're there. Let's head on over, shall we? The tour bus that I took was an all-day excursion around all of St. Thomas pretty much, and Magens Bay was one of the stops. Now, they do charge on Magens Bay. I think it's like $5 for non-residents to visit it, but it was included in the tour bus tour that I took, the excursion, and that was actually included in the ticket price of the cruise that I was on, so everything today is pretty much free, or should I say included. As you'll see, I'm going to stop off for a cocktail or two, and that, of course, has to come out of my wallet. It's funny, when you're on the ship, everything is included, including the food and the drinks and even the gratuities, so you really don't have to pay for anything. And when you get on these excursions, sometimes you forget, you'll order a drink and walk away, and they're like, yo! Yak Shack. I'm sure they're referring to kayaks, but where I grew up, yak meant something else. The position of this bay and the surrounding mountains really make for calm, warm waters. It's really beautiful. Magens Bay has a snack shack, you know, the usual hamburgers, hot dogs, pizza, french fries. If you're looking for something a little more nicer, maybe a sit-down casual type of restaurant, right across the street are several of those. A bar. It's almost noon and I haven't had a drink yet. Hey, I'm on a cruise. So I normally don't order sweet drinks, but everyone around me seemed to be ordering something called the Magen Punch. So I tried it. It was good. I really enjoyed that one. And I also enjoyed the second one. Magen's Punch is rum-based and a mixture of fruit juices, pretty much standard fare for most of the drinks here in the Caribbean, and including St. Thomas, which is where we are right now. It was $5 each in plus gratuity, and I did remember to pay for it and leave a tip. Every once in a while I close my eyes and think to myself, why me? Why is my life so tortured? But then I open my eyes and just go on with my miserable day. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. I made a friend on the tour bus this morning, and he had a backpack. He had his bathing suit and a towel, beach towel in it, and I was talking to him and I started to feel like the student who just didn't get the homework assignment right. They have changing rooms here and showers, and well, I was just wearing my standard cargo shorts, polo shirt, baseball cap, and sneakers, and I just wasn't prepared to go swimming in this beautiful water. I just didn't understand the assignment. I'm sorry, teacher. No big whoop. Let's go for a nice walk along the beach. They're wearing jeans. Apparently they didn't get the assignment right either, and well, quite frankly, they're more overdressed than I am. This beach is a little under a mile each way, and it's a really nice walking beach. I've seen more beautiful beaches, believe it or not, but as far as walking, this is one of the best. Hey guys, as always, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, please subscribe to the New York channel, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Also, click on that notification bell. It lets you know when new videos are uploaded to the New York channel. After my walk on the beach, I'm going to head over to the gift shop they have here, and then maybe to the bar for one more drink before I head on back to that bus. The tour bus had 3 or 4 stops during our day here in St. Thomas, and this was the longest. I think this was about 2.5 to 3 hours. Most of the other ones were about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Let's check out the gift shop. Hey guys, if you want to help support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button under the video. I do appreciate your support. Thank you. Yo, this one doesn't have a head on her shoulders. I never realized how jerky I look when I hear calypso music. It looks like I'm going into some kind of tropical seizure. Or as Jimmy Buffett would say, blame it on the rum. Rest in peace, Jimmy. Speaking of food, don't forget to check out my other channel, Jersey Jeff Eats, where I drive or walk around New Jersey just eating. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? There's a link below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.